Son, son, you gonna let me do this video? Okay. Let me do this video real quick, I'll feed you. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Dark Renegade 14, with another video, baby. And I got me some new shoes. I got me some new shoes. New shoes. New shoes. New shoes. New shoes. Sorry, son, I blocked your face off all the camera screen. Yeah, and happy Father's Day to you guys that's actually, you know, dads and your kids' life. But I know y'all didn't come here for this. Y'all came here to see these shoes. So let's go ahead and get to opening these boys, because I got to feed my son. He gets a little cranky. He's been good right now. Hold on, son. Hold on now. Hold on, I got to open the box. Oh, the fuck? It came with a Cheetos bag. No, I got a Cheetos bag. Son, this shit fire as hell. Son, you see this? You see this? Bro, y'all see that? Look at the bag. Yeah. Oh, autographed by Chester Cheetah himself. Okay, let's put that on the floor right there. Oh, what this is? Oh, the black shoestrings. Black shoestrings with the orange tips. Yeah, okay. Put them off over there. Yeah. My bad, son. Orange paper. Yeah, son, you like that? You just looking around, dude. Let's see what they looking at. Let's see what they looking at, son. Ooh. Okay. Okay. All right, looking a little hard. I ain't gonna cap. I expected a bag of some hot Cheetos, but you know, it is what it is, you know. Come on. This shoestring is hard though. Son, you like the shoe? You like it? You like it? You don't like it? You ain't your speed. Oh, he like it. Yeah, I see it. You hear him. The fourth likes it. Oh yeah, I like that though. Look what it said on the set. It's just a Cheeto time. Let me say that. It's a Cheetos thing. Oh, you want to eat? You ready to eat? Okay, he getting crazy. He getting crazy. Hold on. Let me feed you, dude. You tripping. I'm trying to show these people these shoes, son. You tripping. Come on. But yeah, the inside got Chester Cheeto in it. Pretty nice. Pretty dope. Oh, no. Oh man, I'm finna feed you. I thought you was gonna be able to wait, man. You ain't gonna wake up. That's how you feeling. Take your pasty out your mouth, man. There we go. Alright. At the bottom, there would it look. Flaming hot. Alright. Yeah. They're pretty dope. I like the little charcoal. I like the back. I like this part. The part right here. I love that part. Clean. That shit kinda clean too, I ain't gonna care. Cheetos thing, pretty nice. The insole, I don't know if y'all can really see it. Yeah, so they got Chester, God damn it. Got Chester Cheeto in it. Yeah. They're hard though, for real. I'm on. Little flame. Pretty dope. Overall, these some solid shoes. I'm on. Nice Father's Day gift that my girl bought me. I'm finna put them on right now to go with my anime shirt. I would show y'all, but I'm currently feeding my son. Yeah. So, thank you guys for taking time out your day to view this content. Man, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. I can't believe it really came with a bag though. Is that a shoe bag? A flaming hot shoe bag? Do I just put my shoes in there? Do I store the shoes in there? Like, damn, that's fire. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit better than my Rick and Morty. My Rick and Morty should have came with a bag like that. Puma might be on. That's fire. That's fire. All right, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. Share. I see you guys later. Deuces.